Hello, in this video we will see the cutaneous nerve supply of the lower limb. First we will see of the thigh. On thigh, on lateral side, it is supplied by the lateral cutaneous nerve, which is a branch of the femoral nerve. On the anterior aspect, it is supplied by the proper femoral nerve. Okay, 1 minute. It is supplied by the femoral nerve to the knee joint, and on the medial side, some small part is supplied also by the obturator nerve. So femoral nerve supply the anterior aspect and medial aspect. Some part is also supplied by the obturator nerve. On the posterior aspect of the thigh, proper posterior large part is supplied by the posterior cutaneous nerve, which is a branch of the sciatic nerve. On the medial side, it is supplied by the femoral nerve, and on the lateral side of the posterior aspect, it is also supplied by the lateral cutaneous nerve, which is also the branch of the femoral nerve. In the leg, on the medial side, it is by the saphenous nerve up to the foot, and on the anterior lateral part of the upper leg, it is supplied by the sural cutaneous nerve. On the lower anterolateral, it is by the up to the foot, and the dorsum of the foot, it is by the superficial peroneal nerve. And in the first place, it is by the deep peroneal nerve, and on the medial side of this great toe or first toe, it is by the sural nerve. On the posterior aspect, it is supplied by the on posterior laterally, it is supplied by the saphenous nerve, and also on the foot side, lateral aspect also, and on the posterior aspect, the lateral part is supplied by the this, and on the posterior aspect, same here will be the upper part by the sural cutaneous nerve anterolaterally, and on the lower anterolateral and the dorsum of the foot is supplied by the superficial peroneal nerve, and the medial part up to the foot is supplied by the saphenous nerve. Okay, and on the plantar aspect of the foot, heel is supplied by the medial posterior tibial nerve, and this part, okay, this part is supplied by the lateral plantar nerve, and this part is supplied by the medial plantar nerve, okay, which are the branches of the posterior tibial nerve. Heel is by the posterior tibial nerve, and this separated part is supplied on laterally by the lateral plantar nerve, and on the medially is by the medial plantar nerve. Okay, so basically this is a cutaneous nerve supply of the lower limb.